Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause your video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have an empty list here and we are multiplying it with 3. Then we are appending 1 in L of 0. So you might have thought the correct output of this code is 1, none and none. Well, that's not the case. All of them contain 1. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code and here we are multiplying this list with 3. So actually what happens is that there are no 3 instances created of this list. Instead, there's, let's say this is called something like M. This is being referenced to this list 3 times like this. And what happens is that when you append 1 to any of this, here comes 1 in this L list. Now this is reflected back here. So it became 1, 1 and 1 here as well. And that's why we got this as the output.